Guys, just take a look at this channel. It was created only a few days ago, and it has uploaded just 28 videos, yet it has already gained 173,000 subscribers. Take a look at this video. It was uploaded just 1 week ago, and it has already gained 46 million views. And honestly, 46 million views are more than enough to get any YouTube channel monetized. And the interesting part is that this channel simply upload AI bunker time-lapse video. Now guys, take a look at this video. I actually created this video myself completely for free. So, guys, to make videos like this, you don't need to do anything complicated. The whole process is very easy. And the best part is that you don't need any advanced editing skills or expensive software. Everything we're going to use in this tutorial is beginner-friendly, and most of the work will actually be done by AI. First, simply open ChatGPT. Now, after opening ChatGPT, click on Apps. Once you click on Apps, you'll see another option called GPTs in the top corner. Click on GPTs, and a new interface will appear. This section basically contains different AI tools that are built inside ChatGPT. Many of these tools are designed for automation, content creation, and prompt generation, which makes our work much faster. At the top, search for Bunker Time-Lapse. When you search for it, many results may appear, but you simply need to select the top one. After selecting it, click on Start Chat. Now you'll see a powerful interface where most of the prompts are already prepared for you, so you don't need to write anything manually. And honestly, this is the part that saves the most time because normally writing good AI prompts can take a lot of trial and error. At the top, you will see Let's Start. If it doesn't appear automatically, you can simply type Let's Start yourself. Once you click Start, it will give you two options: Generate Bunker, Time-Lapse Sequence, Generate Viral Metadata. For this video, we will click on the first option. Now it will ask you what type of location or environment you want to create the time-lapse for. The interesting thing here is that you can literally type anything you want. It can be a mountain, a desert, a futuristic city, a jungle environment, a snowy cabin, or even something completely creative. For example, I'll select mountain cabin backyard. Now I'll simply copy this example. And once I paste it here, ChatGPT will generate the full image prompts and video prompts for us. And as you can see, within just a few seconds, ChatGPT has already created multiple prompts for different scenes of the video. This means the entire storyboard of the time-lapse video is basically ready for us. Normally, creating something like this manually would take a lot of time because you would need to think about every scene, every camera angle, and every environment detail. But with AI, all of that work can be generated automatically in seconds. This is one of the biggest reasons why AI content creation is becoming so popular right now. Now we need to convert these prompts into visuals. And trust me, this step is also extremely simple. For that, open a new tab and search for Whisk. Open the first website. After opening it, you will see an interface where we can generate images using AI prompts. Before generating the image, make sure to select the aspect ratio as portrait because we are creating short-form videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. If you want to create long-form videos instead, you can select landscape. But for now, we want short-form content, so I'm selecting portrait. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Whisk. After pasting it, simply press Enter, and the image will start generating. Usually it takes around 20 to 30 seconds. And just like that, as you can see, the image has been generated, and honestly, the quality looks really impressive. The lighting, shadows, textures, and overall environment look very cinematic. This is exactly why these bunker time-lapse videos look so satisfying to watch. The visuals look very realistic and high quality, even though they are completely generated using AI. Sometimes the tool generates multiple variations, so you can simply pick the one that looks the best to you. Also, don't hesitate to regenerate the image a few times if you want slightly different lighting or camera angles. Now, choose the image you like the most and simply download it. After downloading the image, the next step is to turn this image into a video. For that, open another new tab and search for Grok. After opening it, you'll see an interface like this. Here, just click on the image icon, and this will open the tool that allows us to generate videos from images. Before generating the video, there are two small settings you need to check. First, make sure video mode is selected. Second, make sure the aspect ratio is set to portrait so that the video matches the format of short-form content. Now upload the image that we generated earlier as a reference image. This reference image helps the AI understand the environment and maintain visual consistency. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video 1 prompt. prompt. Now paste that prompt into the video generator tool and press enter. The video will now start generating, and this usually takes around 40 to 50 seconds. And just like that, our video is ready. As you can see, the animation looks very smooth and natural. The movement of the environment and the small details in the scene make it look like a real time-lapse shot. And this is exactly the type of content that performs extremely well on short-form platforms. People love watching visually satisfying content, especially when it shows transformation, environment changes, or cinematic scenes. Now, simply download the video. But before moving to the next step, there is one very important trick that many beginners miss. You need to drag the video timeline to the last frame and save that frame as an image on your device. The reason we do this is to maintain visual consistency in the next scene. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video to prompt. Paste it into the tool, and this time upload the last frame image as the reference. This ensures that the second scene continues smoothly from the first scene without changing the environment or characters. If you skip this step, sometimes the AI may generate a completely different scene, which breaks the continuity of the time-lapse. After that, simply click Generate. Your second video will now be created, and as you can see, the results look really good. Now you just need to repeat the same process for all the prompts generated by ChatGPT. Once all the clips are generated, the main AI work is already finished. Now the final step is editing. You can use any editing software you like. For example, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, Resolve, CapCut. Personally, I prefer using Premiere Pro, but you can use whichever software you're comfortable with. The editing process is actually very simple. First, create a new project. Then import all the video clips that we generated. Now arrange them in sequence so that the time-lapse story flows smoothly from one scene to another. After arranging the clips, add cuts wherever necessary. You can also add small transitions between scenes to make the video look smoother and more professional. If the clips feel a bit slow, you can slightly increase the speed of the footage. This actually makes the time-lapse effect look even more satisfying. You can also add small zoom effects, slight motion effects to improve the visual quality even more. After that, add a background music track. Music plays a very important role in making the video engaging and satisfying to watch. Try to use cinematic or ambient music because it matches very well with time-lapse style videos. Finally, watch the entire video once to make sure everything looks perfect. Once everything looks good, simply export the video in high quality. And just like that, your Bunker time-lapse video is ready. Now let's review the final video.